Coinbase secures custodial role for Australia's new spot Bitcoin ETF by DigitalX. Jimmy Aki last updated. July 30th, 2024 at 2:21 GMT3, 2 minutes red. DigitalX announced on July 19th that cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase would be its custody partner for its new spot Bitcoin ETF BTXX. The custody of the DigitalX Bitcoin ETF BTXX shows the exchange's growing role in supporting the infrastructure for Bitcoin ETFs worldwide. DigitalX selects Coinbase as custody provider for its latest Australian spot Bitcoin ETF. This information was confirmed in the official BTXX fact sheet released by DigitalX. BTXX seeks to provide returns that mirror the performance of Bitcoin by maintaining long-term holdings of BTC. The fund is intended to be a passive holder of Bitcoin and will not buy and sell Bitcoin other than to facilitate redemptions and creation of Bitcoin interest, the fact sheet reads. The DigitalX Bitcoin ETF BTXX was launched on July 12th following approval from the Australian Securities Exchange ASX on July 9th. Since the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States in January 2024, Coinbase has become a partner and custody provider for 10 spot Bitcoin ETFs and 8 of the 9 newly approved Ether ETFs. A custodian is a certified company that holds the digital assets of companies or individuals on their behalf. So custodians play a critical role in the growth of the ETF market as they secure billions of dollars worth of crypto that the ETF owns. Meanwhile, the DigitalX spot Bitcoin ETF is not the first Australian spot Bitcoin ETF. Recall that the country's first Bitcoin ETF, VanEck Bitcoin ETF, VBTC, was launched on the Australian Securities Exchange ASX on June 20th. VBTC is structured as a feeder fund to provide exposure to Bitcoin by investing in VanEck's U.S. Bitcoin Trust HODL, listed on the Chicago Board Options Exchange CBOE. Crypto adoption and regulatory climate in Australia. Australia has seen noteworthy growth in crypto ownership and adoption in recent years. The crypto ownership rate in Australia stands at 17%, surpassing the global average of 15%, according to independent research conducted by Roy Morgan. The number of Australians engaging with digital assets has reached unprecedented levels. Their findings indicate that over 1.1 million Australians now own at least one form of cryptocurrency. The Australian Tax Office ATO has also shed light on the scale of crypto adoption in a report that disclosed that approximately 600,000 Australians have officially declared crypto holdings in their tax returns. Additionally, a 2022 survey conducted by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission ASIC places cryptocurrencies as the second most popular investment product among Australians, trailing only behind domestic shares. Despite the interest and adoption, the regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies in Australia remains hostile. For instance, Binance Australia encountered challenges in May 2023 when it had to suspend Australian dollar deposits and withdrawals due to third-party service provider issues. The situation became even more complex in July 2023 when ASIC conducted searches at Binance Australia's offices. Follow us on Google News.